So you went ahead and took your two measurements, and now you're looking at this assignment thinking, what on earth am I supposed to do? Well, luckily I'm here to show you. So first thing is it's zoomed out a whole lot and I can't really see what's going on. So I'm going to go over here to my magnifying glass where it says zoom, and I'm going to click on 100% and it's going to zoom in. I'm going to scroll up to the top and you'll see I have two clouds kind of explaining what a goal is and explaining what an action step is. I do have two other languages if you need those available for you. So the first thing is goal. What do you want to accomplish this 9 weeks? So like I said in the previous video, we have our goal number 1, right? So our first goal is going to be, I want to touch my toes. Awesome. Now the measurement that we took, I'm going to go ahead and enter the date. So today's date is the 3rd. And I am 11 inches away from my toes. Now you notice like, oh, look at that. It's kind of going outside my box. So I'm going to take this text and I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller so that way it kind of stays in the boundaries. Now an action step. So what do I need to do to accomplish this goal? I'm going to say I will stretch every day. Easy enough, right? And I'm going to answer this question. Why is this important? This is going to be a personal reason as to why this is important for you. For me, I want to be flexible. Simple, easy. I'm going to complete that with goal number 2 and goal number 3. So if you remember from the previous video, sorry, that was the bell. If you remember from a previous video, the previous video said goal number 2 was I want to reach past my ruler, or whatever you decided when we took that second measurement. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my measurement. So today's date, and I can reach 22 inches. Right? I'm using a yardstick, so my ruler is actually 36. So now the action step. This one's probably going to be really similar to my first one, right? I will stretch every day. And I will complete those 2 stretches in order to get better. The third goal here is going to be a goal that you come up with. I would really love for it to be dance oriented, and then what action steps you can get there and why it's important. Oh, I forgot to add that. Nope. So if you find out that you accidentally deleted a text box, you'll go up here to where it says text box. You're going to create one. So make a little square. And I'm going to put, I want to do the splits. That's my personal reason why I want to reach past my ruler. I'm going to go ahead and change the font to red so it matches. And I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. Perfect. Now down here are some challenges. So I'm going to take my action steps that I did up here, and I'm going to put them into challenges so that I can keep track. So I'm making a tracker. So I'm going to put stretch every day. That's my first challenge that I'm going to do for 30 days. I want to try to keep track of it. So I'm going to enter a shape up here at my toolbar. I want to do circles. So once I create a circle right here, I'm going to change it to my favorite color, which is purple. And I'm going to continue doing that for 30 days, or at least tracking if I do. So tomorrow, if we stretch in class, I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste it and move it on to day number 2, right? Because I started today. And I'm going to continue to do that just to see. So like on Saturday, say I get really lazy and I end up not doing it, then I'm going to leave day 3 blank, so on and so forth. Once I'm done, I'm going to go up here to the top. Remember up here in the student view, you will have a blue button that says Submit Assignment. You're going to want to click that so I can grade it. And when I'm done grading it, I will return it to you. So that way you can go in and do all of your tokens. You guys have a great day and message me if you need help with anything.